Welcome to this presentation on experimental investigation on the bond slip behavior of rebars coated with epoxy and polyurethane systems. A comparative study. This research was conducted by Vanama Raghava Kumar et al. And published in 26 June 2024. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Reinforced concrete is a widely used construction material where the bond between concrete and reinforcing steel is crucial for structural integrity. Corrosion of reinforcing steel is a significant issue that degrades this bond and the overall performance of concrete structures. Coatings and surface treatments are applied to rebars to enhance corrosion resistance and maintain bond strength. Three rebar coating systems were evaluated: a conventional two-component epoxy KCR, a zinc-rich epoxy FRR, and a moisture-cured polyurethane with micaceous iron oxide MCR. Concrete mix proportions were standardized using ordinary Portland cement, river sand, and 10 mm nominal size coarse aggregate with a water cement ratio of 0.3. Accelerated corrosion tests showed that uncoated rebars experienced a mass loss of 3.793 while all coated rebars exhibited negligible mass loss, indicating the effectiveness of the coatings in corrosion mitigation. However, coatings reduced bond strength. KCR showed a 16.3 reduction, FRR a 48 reduction, and MCR the least reduction at 9.4 compared to uncoated specimens. The study demonstrates that while all tested coatings effectively prevent rebar corrosion, they have varying impacts on the bond slip behavior with concrete. The MCR polyurethane coating performed best by showing the least reduction in bond strength and reducing rebar slip. The significant reduction in bond strength for FRR and KCR coatings is attributed to factors like reduced adhesion and the nature of the coating material. This study confirms that all three rebar coating systems KCR, FRR, and MCR are effective in mitigating rebar corrosion. The moisture-cured polyurethane coating MCR demonstrated the best overall performance, exhibiting the least reduction in bond strength and effectively reducing rebar slip at ultimate load.